Unlocking the health benefits of intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting is a dietary approach that involves restricting food intake for specific periods, alternating with periods of normal eating. While it has been practiced for centuries, in recent years, it has become increasingly popular as a weight loss and health improvement strategy. In this video, we will discuss some of the key benefits of intermittent fasting, backed by scientific research. Weight loss. One of the most well-known benefits of intermittent fasting is weight loss. Studies have found that intermittent fasting can lead to significant reductions in body weight, body fat, and waist circumference. For example, a study published in the International Journal of Obesity found that obese individuals who practiced intermittent fasting for 12 weeks lost an average of 8 pounds, while also reducing their waist circumference and body fat percentage. Improved insulin sensitivity. Intermittent fasting has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which is the body's ability to use insulin effectively to regulate blood sugar levels. This is important because insulin resistance can lead to a range of health problems, including type 2 diabetes. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Investigation found that intermittent fasting improved insulin sensitivity in both lean and obese individuals. Reduced inflammation. Chronic inflammation is a risk factor for many chronic diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Intermittent fasting has been shown to reduce inflammation in several ways. For example, a study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that intermittent fasting reduced the levels of pro-inflammatory markers in the blood. Improved heart health. Intermittent fasting has been shown to improve several risk factors for heart disease, including blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and triglycerides. For example, a study published in the International Journal of Cardiology found that intermittent fasting led to significant reductions in blood pressure, total cholesterol, and LDL cholesterol. Increased lifespan. Animal studies have found that intermittent fasting can increase lifespan and delay age-related diseases. While more research is needed in humans, some studies have found that intermittent fasting may also be associated with a longer lifespan. For example, a study published in the Journal of the American Medical Association found that women who practiced intermittent fasting had a reduced risk of mortality from cardiovascular disease and cancer. Improved brain function. Intermittent fasting has been shown to have several benefits for brain function, including improved cognitive function, reduced oxidative stress, and increased neuroplasticity. For example, a study published in the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease found that intermittent fasting improved cognitive function and reduced amyloid beta levels in the brain, which are a hallmark of Alzheimer's disease. In conclusion, intermittent fasting has been shown to have many benefits, including weight loss, improved insulin sensitivity, reduced inflammation, improved heart health, increased lifespan, and improved brain function. While more research is needed, these benefits suggest that intermittent fasting may be a promising dietary approach for improving overall health and reducing the risk of chronic diseases. However, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new diet or exercise program. Share your thoughts and spread the word by sharing and liking the video.